May I please, Lordship? My Lord, I beg to mention item number 6. May kindly fix on 5th January, my Lord.
5th January.
Yes, ma'am. I have taken the consent from the government.
Okay. Mr. T. Son, Land Council for the petitioner with the consent of the Land Council. For the other side, praise for listing this matter on 5th January. The prayer is allowed. List it accordingly on 5th January. Okay.
Much obliged.
May I, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2.
Item
2. On behalf of K. Gogoi, Lordship.
Lordship, in this matter, the notice was issued on 13/11, but why it has come in the motion column again? Lordship?
Oh, so wrongly listed.
It seems slow.
No, 1612. It is to be listed today only.
Today,
Huh.
but notice was issued on 13/11, Lordship.
Oh,
So
then
why it has been again listed in motion column today? I think mistakenly it should have been in the order column, Lordship.
yes, yes. Notice already issued.
Already issued.
Okay. Okay. Then have you taken steps?
Extra copy
Yes,
supposed
Lordship.
to be no.
Copy.
They have not
We will
served the extra
furnish
copy.
extra copy, Lordship.
Okay. But why it,
I think
listed on
mistakenly it has
16.
come up in the motion.
no, so the date is correct, 1612.
No, date is correct, but it has come up in motion column.
Mostly, yes, it should have been, of course. Okay. Miss
Waigao, Lordship.
Land Council for the petitioner. You want extra copy?
Extra copy.
Okay. Land Council for the petitioner, praise for examine or at the matter for 3 weeks.
Lordship, fixed date may be given.
Fixed date,
Maybe 19, Lordship. 19th of
19
January.
January.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Land Council appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Gogoi.
Lordship, 19th December.
No, 19 December.
Yes, Lordship, 19th January.
K. Gogoi, praise for listing this matter on 19 January, to which Mr. S. Tapni Lanik, senior government advocate, has no objection. Start. Accordingly, list this matter on 19 January. The petitioner, in the meantime, the petitioner said furnish extra copy of the petition to the landed government advocate, senior government advocate, within 3 days from today.
Yes.
Okay.
Authorized, Lordship.
Item number 1.
Your Lordship, this is a subsequent bail application, Your Lordship. The earlier bail application was rejected by this honorable court, Your Honor, on the ground that the statement of the victim has not been recorded.
Rejected by the trial court.
Lordship, by this honorable court,
When was the last rejection order?
which is at page 33. Paragraph 12, Your Lordship. The relevant portion is page 35, paragraph 12.
Rejected by this court only.
By this honorable court, by Lordship.
Okay, then
Thereafter, we have appeared before the trial court, Your Lordship. And then the statement, altogether 2 witnesses were called, victim along with the informant. So informant statement was recorded, but although victim was present, but her statement was not recorded.
not yet recorded.
Not yet recorded. Now, the present bail application, Your Lordship, I have filed basically on the ground that the arrest memo,
Hmm.
as per section 35 of BNSS 2023, Your Lordship, here my contention is that the generic reasons were issued in the arrest memo. Kindly peruse the arrest memo, page 22.
Yes.
At clause 15, thereafter, Your Lordship, from reasons, clause 15, reason and ground of arrest. Now, below prevent accused from committing any further offense for proper investigation of the offense, to prevent the accused person from causing the evidence of the offense to disappear or tampering with such evidence in any matter, to prevent the accused person from making any inducement, threat, or promise to any person acquainted with the facts of the case, so as to dissuade him from the disclosing such facts to the court or to police officer. As unless such person is arrested, his presence in the court, whenever required, cannot be ensured. Now, basically, Your Lordship, I have the arrest of the accused person was not communicated to the
Arrest of accused person not communicated.
Lordship.
What is this?
This is the arrest memo.
You mean to say ground of arrest?
Yes. These records do not show any of the specific grounds of arrest, Your Lordship, were furnished in writing to the accused persons. Basically, I am relying on the judgment of Honorable Supreme Court, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship, even on the earlier occasion, if the matter is charge sheeted, Your Lordship,
Yes.
the ground of arrest is only in terms of remand during the period of investigation, which is very clear in Mihir Rajesh Shah versus State of Maharashtra, passed in the month of November, Your Lordship, by the Apex Court. Also in K.C. Reddy, Upadhyaya Reddy, Your Lordship.
For sure that
This-
there is no any ground, separate ground of arrest was
Yes,
not
yes.
communicated,
Yes. Now, Your
not
Lordship,
communicated.
Your Lordship will see that they have, charge sheet has also already been filed.
Okay.
The case is in that verge of.
Let us see the record first. Let us see the record.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Maybe separately furnished ground of arrest.
At this point
The
of time,
record-
Your Lordship, when the trial proceeds, Your Lordship,
Hmm.
the ground of arrest cannot be a ground for seeking bail, Your Lordship. That's my
Okay.
contention.
Hmm. Mr. AQC. Then counsel for the petitioner. Also had Ms. Chini. Then an additional P3 for the state stop. This is subsequent bail application filed under section 483 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, seeking bail of the accused on the ground that at the time of arrest, the ground of arrest was not communicated to the arrested accused and his family staff. Tara, call for the record. The call for the matter has already been charged sheeted.
Yes.
Okay, call for the file code record. List this matter. After
After winter break, Your Lordship.
after
Lordship,
After winter break, Your Lordship.
winter break,
Lordship, can it be before winter break? Any date before it?
after a week. Okay,
April.
Because
after a week.
Lordship,
Item number 3,
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, this is, this petition is for seeking to dispose of the representation dated 4 of September to the page number, Lordship, 73, Lordship. Directly come to the page 72. Page 73, annexure 6, Lordship.
Page
Page 73, annexure 6, Lordship.
73.
Yes, 73.
Yes.
Lordship, these applications we have filed on 4th of the September 2025 before the Director of Health Service, Garmeta Paranjal, who is respondent number 2 in this case. Lordship, we are the employed of this health department. So we have submitted our grievances to the Director of Health Service, requesting for promotion to the post of laboratory technicians from the post of laboratory assistant by extending one-time relaxations by counting past service as a laboratory technician regarding. We have Lordship all total 48. 48 Lordship, this lab assistant has placed the grievances to the Director of Health Service to the to make the promotions of our post from the lab assistant to the laboratory technicians. So this application is pending from the September to till that. So there is nothing, any response from the respondent number 2 is the health department, Lordship. So only to dispose of whether it's
You submit reminder,
Lordship, legal notice also we have sent, Lordship.
legal notice. For,
Yes, in next page, Lordship, page 77.
Legal notice for what?
Legal notice, Lordship, we remind again that the department at least to give reply whether it's negative or positive, whatever, Lordship. We need just only reply from the concerned department. Despite of that, nothing, any response from the health department, Lordship.
Yes.
Madam, if it is the case, madam, their representation can be disposed of both. No, ultimately, whether they are eligible or not, the department look into.
Mhm.
We don't know by this representation whether they are eligible or not. It's their version, madam. Only the department will be the best manner authority to examine whether their case can be considered a regulation or not, or promotion or not.
Yes, that actually we want, Lordship.
Petitioner were appointed as
On
they were appointed as what now?
Appointed as a Lordship, lab assistant, Lordship.
only
Lab-
problem, madam, one thing, they have come up as an association, not by individual. That member of the lab technician working under the department, they approached through their associations.
Where is the name of the petitioner
Petitioner, Lordship,
in the representation?
petitioner, Lordship, page number, page 3, Lordship.
No, in the representation, you only seek the direction to dispose of the representation.
Authorization is Lordship, page number 18, annexure, Lordship 1.
Hmm?
Annexure number 1 is the authorization.
No, where is the
Or
representation? In the representation, how
73, Lordship.
the department, the authority know that you
General
you are the petitioner?
76, madam, through general secretary.
Mhm.
General Secretary of this.
Where is the name of the petitioner?
Petitioner name is Lordship Tarak Gingte, page 76.
He is also
Yes, he is also lab assistant, employed in same department.
lab assistant.
Yes.
They were appointed as lab assistant
Yes, Lordship.
after advertisement.
Yes.
Where is the advertisement?
Advertisement, Lordship, initially 2008 or 9, we have been engaged as a contractual lab technicians. But from 2017, Lordship, we have been, instead of lab technician, they have demoted to the lab assistant.
Demoted
Yes.
means
Not promoted, Lordship. Actually, it should be regularized. Initially, they have engaged myself as a lab technicians, contractual. But later, it was made as a lab assistant.
where?
Page number, Lordship. Page number, Lordship. 7 27 Lordship. Particularly that's petitioner name.
Page 27.
Correct. 26, 27.
Is appointed on temporary basis to the post of laboratory assistant.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So rest of the this
So where is the advertisement?
advertisement part as Lordship, I have not been in close Lordship since I am working in this department.
Where is the selection list? Select list.
Selection list Lordship, that part also I have not in close because Lordship, I on basis of this appointment order and our grievances is in place that the representation dated of 4th September 4th of September 2085. This is a common Lordship grievances which
How would we know then? Initial appointment was technical, what is this? Technical assistant.
lab assistant Lordship. Now present.
Now he is lab assistant.
Yes. So we are seeking for lab technician Lordship.
So that is why I'm saying, where is the advertisement? Where is the select list?
Lordship, that parts I have
If,
not been.
if the advertisement was for lab technician, lab technician, how can he be appointed as lab assistant? You annex the advertisement and your select list will direct.
Lordship, now issue is only that Lordship, we are working in department almost 18, 19 years Lordship, including contractual and
Since when?
in same department.
Since when?
Since
The appointment is
2008,
only 17.
Lordship, this is the just regular.
Hmm?
But, initially Lordship, we are started from the 2008 and 9.
Where is that?
Lordship, that part we have not been in close Lordship. So now the issue is only that Lordship, just only that part of the representation.
Why only for the representation, disposing of the representation without annexing anything? You have come before this court. Even in order to give that direction also, court needs the records, the documents.
Lordship, this appointment 2017 appointment orders, I think. Lordship,
See, you said that demotion. That's a serious allegation. Yes.
My lord, as per instruction, my lord,
Hmm.
initially they were lab assistant. No?
Okay.
They were appointed lab assistant.
Mhm.
And for appointment to the post of lab technician, there's a criteria, man. There's a recruitment rule.
Yes.
So perhaps some of the petitioners, some who are working as a lab assistant, they are not eligible for the promotion. Maybe that's why their case could not be considered. And then, of course, the criteria is
There was otherwise interview.
no, there's no answer, but that record we don't have, madam. We have to, because this first that's on a motion stage. No, not that. The how they have been appointed, that we don't know, madam. That record will is fixed. And regarding this, the method which how the promotion that has been done, madam. The first lab assistant and the higher post is lab technician. Now they're claiming for the lab technician.
Are they eligible?
That is why, that is to be examined by the department only at this stage, because we don't have because this is motion statement.
No, in the motion stage also. Where is the R? Is the R? Have you annexed R?
Lordship, separately we have got.
They have not annexed it.
No, we have not annexed, but we have separately.
That's why, madam, if they are insisting for disposal rate, that their representation, madam, that department we can examine it, whether they are eligible or not in terms of the.
No, now this court will only say the petitioner file only to dispose of the petition. You dispose of that much without giving anything.
No, yes, Lordship. Or now in this stage, Lordship, we are only afraid for that fact.
I think it will be difficult for me. I need at least to say you were appointed on such and such basis, and you are entitled for the promotion, and then not given. So you submitted representation, not considered, you dispose of. At least that information I required.
Lordship,
But only to, in the High Court, in the writ petition, only to dispose of the representation without base.
That is one issue, but that
Hmm.
of course there, madam, because that since the RRS is also not employed. Madam. In my one way, madam, in respect to submission,
He must be claiming against, claiming that he is entitled.
yes, but whether it's
So-
eligible or not, madam.
Hmm.
Madam,
You annex RR. You annex the appointment, means the advertisement, and against which you were appointed, and an RR at least. Those two will satisfy. And then, because your allegation, it appears, without annexing RR, without annexing the advertisement, and based on advertisement and the select list, your allegation seems serious.
my lord,
But then later on, you will be the first person to blame the court. This was the allegation, but then the court has passed this order.
my lord, one thing, my lord, the
Hmm.
one suggestion, my lord.
Hmm.
Instead of pressing this petition, my lord, they can withdraw and file in. all-
That will be better, that will be better. Yes, what do you say?
all right, Lordship, will press file, Lordship.
You,
Main
be-
closing
better, because this allegation is serious. The appointment is appointment as you release. You are releasing that the post is technical, and then you have been appointed in demoted post, and then you have been demoted. It's a serious allegation.
My lord.
Mm. Okay, Mr. T. Tapu, want to withdraw this writ petition with the liberty to file fresh after making necessary correction. The prayer is allowed. This writ petition is dismissed as withdrawn. Okay, with liberty as grateful. Huh? Okay.
Item number 4,
May it pleases your lord.
Yes.
My lord, petitioners are aggrieved by the impugn order of the Arunachal Pradesh State Human Rights Commission, lordship. And based on that case, which a complaint is being filed by a person, by an individual before the commission against the petitioners. Lordship, petitioners they are not government Gaumburas. They are in their customary practice, they are Gaumburas, and they are elected by the village people only, lordship. And Human Rights Commission has passed several orders, lordship. First order is of, which we have challenged, is of 2/1/2025, lordship. And subsequent several orders were being filed, taking action against the petitioners, wherein they are not party to that case. And without listening to them, and these orders were being passed by the learned Human Rights Commission, lordship. And similar other cases also, this honorable court also has given stay order of those cases. There were other similar cases against other petitioners, which they have challenged the proceeding of the Human Rights Commission before this honorable court, and the interim orders were being passed by this honorable court, lordship. So the first impugn order, which is being challenged, is Annexure 1, lordship, 2/1/2025, wherein respondent number 11, who is a private respondent, lordship, has lodged a complaint, initial complaint,
Page,
order dated, lordship, 2/1/2025, page 57, lordship.
okay. This order was passed based on the individual complaint. lodged
Yes,
before the human
lordship.
right. Where is the complaint?
Complaint, because we were not party to it, so we don't have all the documents to us. So we were being summoned by because the Human Rights Commission has given direction to the ADC Miao and ADC Bordungsa, wherein we were being called by the authorities, and we appeared before them, and we have given our written reply. And that also I have annexed, lordship. RWS of petitioner number 1 to ADC Meow is annexure 15 series, Lordship, wherein we are not party to that proceeding before the human rights. And
You are not
and-
party to this proceeding.
yes, Lordship. And
Order dated 2/1/2025.
yes, Lordship. And Lordship, there's only Human Rights Commission can give a direction whether there is an inaction of a public servant. We are not a public servant, Lordship. We are not a public servant. Human Rights Commission can take cognizance of any offense or against the public servant. We are not public servants. We are the village leaders being chosen by the village. And as a customary practice, we are
So what is the direction in the order, impugn order?
impugn order to, because there was a complaint by one individual before the village headman, Lordship, which we have annexed of that particular village, that one by the mother-in-law of an aggrieved woman, wherein mother-in-law had said that one Lakshmi, and which the first complaint of the Human Rights Commission dated 29/8 of 2024, which is reflected in this order, Lordship. May I read the order, Lordship?
Yes.
The Annexure 1, Lordship. The proceeding should be read in continuation to the earlier proceeding regarding the complaint filed by email dated 29/8/2024 by Tejang Chakma against Mr. Sriti Shankar Chakma, headman of Dharampur 3 village, Shanti Mohan Chakma, headman of Dharampur 2 village, and Mr. Varun Kumar Chakma, headman of Dharampur 1 village, and Mr. Dipankar Chakma, headman of Vijaypur 1 village under Miao and Bordumsa circle of Changlang district regarding abuse of power and harassment of Miss Lakshmi Chakma in regarding the Chakma in May-June 2024 by illegally issuing executive orders and establishing illegal courts in clear violation of the order of Deputy Commissioner Changlang District dated 25/8/2023 on the issue of impersonating as public servant, making forged counterfeited seals, criminal intimidation, etc. The Commission has perused the complaint, including notices issued to Mrs. Lakshmi Chakma by using the seal of head of Dharampur 3 by Sriti Shankar Chakma to issue executive orders dated so-and-so and so-and-so. Further, wide order dated 9/6/2024, Mr. Sriti Shankar Chakma establishing customary court of Chakma Village Council at Dharampur village using his position as a headman of Dharampur 3. Furthermore, on 9/6/2024, a joint notice was issued by Mr. Shanti Mohan Chakma, headman of Dharampur 2 village, Mr. Varun Kumar Chakma, headman of Dharampur 1 village, and Mr. Dipankar Chakma, headman of Vijaypur 1 village. The complaint further alleged collection of fees, fine by the village headman appointed by the district administration in the Chakma's settlement areas. The issuance of executive order to a woman, Ms. Lakshmi Chakma, a mother of 6-year-old child, to leave her in-laws' house immediately constituted grave violation of the rights of the mother and her child. No person must be allowed to abuse of powers of public servant to harass anyone by impersonating or as public servant and further collect fees, fines through such illegal proceeding. My lord, here I pause for a while, and I would like to take lordship to the complaint being lodged by the mother-in-law of this Lakshmi Chakma, which is at page number 69, lordship, annexure 6.
This is complained by?
Complained by the one mother-in-law of Lakshmi Chakma. So as a headman, because
Against whom?
against daughter-in-law,
Daughter-in-law is Lakshmi Chakma.
Lakshmi Chakma. So the mother-in-law of Lakshmi Chakma has complained to the village headman. And earlier also similar complaint was there wherein from Avaipur village, they have to shift to this particular village lordship, Dharampur 3, because of the nature of the daughter-in-law. So only for amicable settlement lordship, and which is,
So what order was passed by the head?
they have not passed any order lordship. They have only summoned for amicable settlement, which is prevalent in the village areas. In other state also lordship, it's prevalent whenever a complaint is lodged before the Gaon and they are not the government Gaon they are elected by the people lordship. So they are not public
Elected by
servants
the people means
of that village,
not
only.
connected with the government altogether.
Not connected. They are not government Gaon They are elected by the people of their village. They choose as a leader to negotiate anything.
Not under the Assam frontier.
No. They are not public servant lordship.
Okay.
They are not, they don't get any remuneration, anything from the government.
Then
Only for the smooth administration of justice in the village to smooth functioning so that anything comes in. Even the ADCs also give them the direction lordship to, if there are dispute between the two parties, you try to settle that. So that, but not as they are not government
so it's
lordship.
not under the control of the ADC.
Yes, lordship. They don't get any remuneration, anything. They are chosen by the people to just,
Who can remove them?
they are not appointed by anyone. So, but their Gambura, this thing is being terminated by ADC of two
But you said
circles.
it was not appointed by the ADC.
But direction, since there was direction by the Human Rights Commission, wherein they are not a party to that,
That is what I'm
Proceeding.
saying. Who can terminate them? How can they be removed?
villager, if they are not satisfied with that leader,
Only the villagers,
villagers can remove them.
not ADC.
ADC, because they are not government appointed Gambura. They are not under that frontier lordship.
Okay,
Laws.
so
So they are elected by the people. If
okay.
people are
So
not
now
satisfied,
by the order of this Human Rights
yes,
Commission,
lordship.
they have been removed.
Yes, lordship. And
How
even,
you are affected then if they have no power?
so,
Are you affected?
yes, lordship, because direction was given to the ADC, Meow and Vodumsa to lodge FIR against us. So subsequently FIR was lodged, lordship.
FIR against what?
FIR against this petitioner's lordship.
Petitioner.
Yes, and that I have annexed lordship, page number.
For what? FIR for what?
Impersonating under section 204.
Impersonating whom?
Impersonating as Gamburas, because they are elected by the people of the village.
They are not
Gambura.
Gambura.
They are the Gambura, but elected by the people. They are not government Gamburas.
Okay.
They are selected by the people and selected or elected by the people to be there as their leader to see to it any dispute.
Whether the police has done anything in person to the FIR.
Yes, lordship. Against petitioner, charge sheet is being filed. Against petitioner number 4, lordship, charge sheet is being filed.
Case was investigated.
Yes, yes. Charge sheet is filed on against, yes, against petitioner number 4, lordship of Bijaypur village, lordship.
What is the allegation?
Impersonation is section 204 BNS. Impersonating as public servants.
Public service.
And even the ADC says that we are not public servant. So jurisdiction of the Human Rights Commission of under the Human Rights Act 1993 lordship, jurisdiction of Human Rights Commission will come in when it's a public servant. We are not a public servant.
Yes. You're for.
Number 12. Union of India, madam.
Mhm.
Well, basically, they are not the Gaon Buras on a headman, madam. It's because the very simple reason is, madam, they are under the earmark came, madam, being the refugee. They are allowed to settle in some certain areas, madam.
So therefore, my lord, the Gaon Boras cannot be confirmed. After this, my lord, the direction given by the Honorable Supreme Court in one of the case, my lord.
Oh, Union of India is also made party.
Yes, Lordship,
Circular number 12.
12, Lordship.
Why?
Union Lordship, because they are being settled in these areas as per Union, Chakmas are settled in the, in Arunachal Pradesh as per the order or settlement by the Union of India, Union Government Lordship.
Okay. Yes,
L- Lordship, similar orders of this Honorable Court Lordship, I'd like to place before this.
what order was passed?
The stay orders of the proceeding of the Human Rights Commission case.
For that matter, my lord, the notice is to go to the my lord,
Yes,
the respondent number.
Yes,
in-
state.
Time for 4, 5 and 6 only. Here, Lordship,
Okay.
That-
Human Rights Commission has
Yeah.
also standing council.
No. Standing council is not there. Otherwise, we would have served the copy. Standing council is not there.
In rest of the cases, my lord, I am appealing on behalf of the State Human Rights Commission. My lord. In other cases.
And yeah.
Notice
Yeah.
has to go.
Here, my lord, I have not received any instruction from the Human Rights Commission.
Because
Okay, you are the council there. Standing council for the
My lord,
human rights.
In particular case, my lord, I've been appointed for.
Okay, only on being enrolled.
Only on.
Okay.
that is the information I also
Anything,
have
police
received.
notice?
Lordship, because after getting the direction from the, this one, Human Rights Commission only we have a attack.
My lord, this is, my lord, notice may be issued without. my lord,
And stay of the proceeding Lordship.
Pardon me,
D Ghosh Lordship.
the Ghosh, Land Council for the petitioner. I've also heard. Ms. Riba, Learned Traditional Senior Government Advocate, and Mr. Kato. Mr. Kato, Kato is DSCY. GI, huh? Tapa. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner challenged the order dated 2/1/2025
Page 57 Lordship. The
passed by
Arunachal Pradesh State Human Rights Commission.
the chairperson, Arunachal Pradesh State Human Rights Commission. As well as the order, which order?
Order 2/1/2025 and also Lordship Annexure
Dated,
21.
Order dated
Order date, first order dated is 2/1/2025 and
2/1.
next order dated.
No, no, this is human rights.
Yes,
Chairman.
Lordship.
And what is the order passed by the ADC or the district?
Yes, Lordship.
Human Rights Commission has
And
passed more than one order.
yes, Lordship. I have Annexure 21 also, Lordship. Final opportunity to the
Oh,
ADC, Lordship.
21
Order
is?
dated 27/2, page
Just a minute.
117, Lordship.
And what is this 117?
117 final opportunity to the ADCs of Miao subdivision and Bordumsa subdivision, Lordship.
This order was passed by?
Human Rights Commission, page number 117, Lordship.
Okay, what is the direction in 2/1/25?
2/1 is to terminate, investigate and terminate their headmanship and lodge FIR against the petitioners.
And what?
Following direction,
What is 27 to
relevant
2025?
portion is at page
What is
15.
27 to 2025?
Final opportunity to lodge FIR against the petitioners.
This is in continuation with the
Yes, earlier order.
earlier order only.
Yes, Lordship.
And where is the?
And to submit the action taken report. Following direction, relevant portion.
Whether any action taken thereafter?
Yes, Lordship.
Where
FIR is
where is
being,
that order?
FIR is lodged against, I'll show, page 126,
Whether
Lordship.
ADC passed any order?
Yes, Lordship. ADC order is there, Lordship.
Where?
Page
Order dated?
128, Lordship.
Order dated?
And annexure 3 also, Lordship. Annexure 3.
Order dated?
Order dated annexure 3 is order dated 5/3,
Okay, and the
2025
order dated 5/3/2025 passed by
by ADC Miao.
additional Deputy Commissioner Miao.
An impugn order dated 23/10/24 of ADC Bardumsa.
23?
23/10/2024, annexure 4, page 65, Lordship. By
Where
ADC.
is in your prayer? Where is that order? It's not there.
Actually stay, because once this proceeding is stayed before the Human Rights Commission, then this subsequent all orders and this thing will be, I have prayed, Lordship, pending disposal of the rule, Honorable graciously please stay the entire proceeding of the case number so and so and stay operation of impugned order.
Dated 5/3/2025.
Yes, Lordship, and all the subsequent orders arising out of case number so and so.
Stop. Tara, you just submitted that by an order dated 2/1/2025. The Chairman Human Rights Commission has directed
ADC Miao, Lordship, and
directed
ADC Bardumsa.
ADC Miao is respondent number,
ADC Miao is respondent number, Lordship.
directed the respondent number,
ADC Miao is respondent number 5. ADC Bardumsa is respondent number 6, Lordship.
number 5. By this order, it was directed to ADC Miao or Bardumsa.
Both, in that, both direction
Okay,
to both
ADC
the
Miao
ADC, yes.
And Bardumsa. What is the direction you said?
The commission perished the submission, observe the following, and the direction is that relevant portion is at page
Miao
59.
Changlang.
Additional Deputy
the-
Commissioner Miao Changlang District shall terminate headmanship of
The direction
Srishti
directed
Chakma
to terminate headmanship of the petitioners and shall further file a complaint with the jurisdictional police station. The commissioner has also directed the ADCs, Miao, to conduct an inquiry regarding the complainant This is repetition only.
Yes, Lordship. One is, page number 60 is
Oh, start. Huh?
to
Hmm.
Bordumsa.
It is further submitted that person to the said direction. The ADC, where is the termination order issued by ADC?
Lordship, Annexure 3, page 63, Lordship.
The right, the respondent, huh?
Page 63.
ADC meow. ADC bomb, what was the other one? Bordumsa also
Bordumsa,
issued any such
Eh,
order?
Yes, Lordship. Annexure 4, page 65, executive order.
Okay. The ADC meow and Bordumsa. The ADC meow, huh? Issued an order dated 5/3/2025, whereby the headmanship of headman or chief of the petitioners by this order terminated.
Yes,
Where
Lordship.
is the operative portion?
Not in this termination, Lordship, but termination order is subsequent, Lordship.
Hmm?
Termination order is
What is this 5/5/25 order?
Yes, Lordship. 5 March 25 order is Annexure 3, Lordship, but
What is this? By this order? What order was passed?
in this, Lordship, it was directed by this order, Lordship, it was said that therefore now in pursuance of the Human Rights Headmanship of Barun Chakma, so and so and so and so, he is hereby terminated with immediate effect. Termination order is this, Lord.
Okay, terminated. And by an order dated 23/10/2024, the additional Deputy Commissioner Bordumsa, respondent number 6. Meow is respondent number 5. Bordumsa is here. This is also termination order.
This is an warning order, Lordship,
No termination.
not termination,
Okay,
warning
leave
order.
that. Leave that. Huh? Stop. It is
But
submitted that.
subsequently, he has terminated.
Where?
And,
Where is-
but an FIR has been lodged against,
No, where is the termination?
of FIR is there.
Bordumsa's termination order. Where?
We did not annex that because we did not have, but FIR is lodged against by Bordumsa ADC Lordship, which is at page, Lordship. I have noted this, FIR. FIR is at page 124, Lordship, against respondent number 4.
Page?
124.
And also 124
124A, Lordship, actually 124A.
and also lodged FIR. 124A is not, this is addressed to Deputy Registrar. And also lodged FIR dated 11/3/2025 before the officer in charge, police station Meow. No allegation.
FIR
For offense.
For Bordumsa Lordship, direction was given,
For
so
co-
FIR was
alleging-
lost in
alleging for
Annexure
commission-
5 Lordship.
alleging for commission of offense under section 204 of BNS. There is no allegation.
FIR is lost again against the as per the direction, FIR was lost Lordship. Annexure 5, I have
Only
annexed
section mentioned, no allegation.
under section 204, page 68 Lordship, FIR. But the direction order I don't have, but Bordumsa FIR was lost as per the ADC direction Lordship, which is at page 68.
Laws without any jurisdiction. Stop. The Land Council for the petitioner submits that the Human Rights Commission has no power and jurisdiction to issue a direct such issue the above direction. No, by issuing the above direction, the Commissioner of Human Rights, no, Chairman Human Rights Commission has exceeded its power and jurisdiction. Stop. Para the allegation needs further examination. According to let the notice be issued. Calling upon the respondent to so cause as to why. Rules will not be issued as prayed for. Rules should not be issued and okay. There is an interim prayer also.
Yes, Lordship,
Okay.
to stay the proceeding, Lordship.
Stop. Issue notice. Record need to be called for. Call for the record. Since Ms. Reba accepted notice on behalf of respondent number 1,
No, only respondent number 12, right?
2, 1, 1, 4, 5, and 6. And Mr. Ankato. And a DSG for respondent number 12. What about this 10, 9, 10,
7, 8,
7, 8, 9,
9, 10, I think. My learned
5,
friend.
6. 5, 6 also. 4, 5, 6 also.
4, 5, 6, 7.
And 7,
1,
8,
4, 5, and 6. And
1, 4, 5, 6, 7,
not
8,
7, 8,
9, and 10, I think.
10.
Riba, huh? And Mr. Kato for 12. No formal notice need be issued. Stava. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the
okay, look, 7, 8, 9, 10.
private respondent. Only private respondent remain then.
11, Lordship.
Sorry, human right also.
Yes, Lordship. I'll,
2, 3, and 11
yes.
by a speed post, as well as by usual process within a week from today. Stop. List is matter after 4 weeks. Stop. In the meantime, the operation of the impugn order dated 2/1/2025 and all subsequent order arising out of case number APSHRC stroke JUD dash CR stroke 10 stroke 09 stroke 2024 including and then passed by the Arunachal State Human Rights Commission, including the order dated 5/3/2025 passed by the additional Deputy Commissioner Miao. And which one?
And Lordship, all the subsequent orders of the Human Rights Commission, entire proceeding of the Human Rights
Shall
Commission,
stay-
which states.
Shall remain stay till the next returnable date. Okay.
Lordship, I'll humbly pray for a fixed date since I'm an outstation
What?
counsel. Fixed date, Lordship, since I'm an outstation
Okay.
counsel, Lordship.
Please pray for list this matter on January 30. Okay.
Yes, Lordship. Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Right.
Item number 5. You, sir, you furnish extra copy?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Hmm.
May I, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I'm for the petitioner. Your Lordship, here I'm challenging order dated 3/3/2016 passed by the Deputy Commissioner Jiro, Your Lordship, for setting aside of this order to the extent of, Your Lordship may turn to page number 58, the impugn order, Your Lordship. Annexure 10, page number 58, Your Lordship. The operating portion, Your Lordship, that is the next page, page number 59, Your Lordship. I'm agreed by this order. Second para, Your Lordship. Thus, considering all the above, both parties are hereby directed to comply with mail order dated 16/2/2016 in toto. After going through the mail decisions given on 22/12/2015 and 16/2/2016, I'm of the opinion that serial number 1, point number 1, the Tariko Tari should be distributed among the clan members of Lora Uru equally. So I'm agreed to the extent of this point number 1, Your Lordship. Before this, Your Lordship, what had happened in 2007, Your Lordship? One Bullo Rakhu, Your Lordship, he had obtained LPC fraudulently, inclusive of petitioner's land. Thereafter, the petitioners had made a representation, complaint letter to the DC for cancellation of that LPC. And in the year 2009 and in the year 2014, 2 complaint letters were filed before deputy commissioners. And pursuant to that representation for cancellation of the LPC, subject issue was only for the cancellation, Your Lordship, not regarding any distributions or anything else, Your Lordship. So pursuant to that representation, this order was passed 3/3/2016, Your Lordship. So after passing of this order, Your Lordship, what had happened? The petitioner had made a representation to the DC to modify the order.
It appears that 2 complaint
Yes, Your Lordship.
lodged by you as well as by the
My complaint, Your Lordship, will find.
other has been clubbed together, it appears.
Yes, Your Lordship. My complaint is at page number 31, Your Lordship. Your Lordship will find that the complaint was against Bullo Rakhu subject, page number 31, Your Lordship.
Yes,
Annexure 2, page number
31.
31. Yes, Your Lordship. This was the complaint to Deputy Commissioner Giro, Your Lordship, page number 31, Annexure 2.
This is your complaint.
Yes, Your Lordship. The complaint is subject, Your Lordship. Complaint against one Sri Bulo Rakh, son of Bulok Kojing, Hong Village, presently working as Senior AFA, Department of Agriculture, Division 4, false inclusion of a forest land within his obtained LPC.
So this is your complaint.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So
So after this complaint, Your Lordship,
this was decided in your favor.
yes, Your Lordship, cancellation was made in my favor, Your Lordship. DC has
Okay,
passed.
whether the LPC issued to the respondent was cancelled?
He is not a respondent in the petition, Your Lordship. Complaint was against Bulo Rakh. He is not the respondent here in the petition, Your Lordship.
The against whom you lodged complaint is not the respondent
No,
here.
no. So
Who is the
what happened-
Who is the respondent then?
Respondent is one Sri Bulo Habong, Your Lordship. I'll-
But he lodged a separate complaint
yes,
against
Your
you,
Lordship. Lordship,
against you
yes, Your Lordship.
regarding the same
Lordship.
land.
I'll explain, Your Lordship. After this complaint, after the Deputy Commissioner had issued this order, Your Lordship, that is annexure which I have read.
Hmm.
Annexure 1058, page number
This is
58, Your
listed for, this is listed for
admission, Your Lordship.
admission.
So
Just
Lordship,
seems some familiar name.
Lordship, my only prayer is that since DC has no authority, has no jurisdiction to decide the title of the land, Your Lordship.
Okay,
So after this order, what had happened, after my representation again for setting aside of Deputy Commissioner's order, what DC had done, Your Lordship, that next annexure, page number 60, Your Lordship.
just a minute. So the matter is ready otherwise for hearing. Can you,
Today, we are only praying for to set aside the Deputy Commissioner's order and directions may be given to the parties to approach the appropriate authorities regarding distributions, Your Lordship, because DC has no jurisdictions.
we have nothing to do with the LPC now?
Yes, nothing to
Okay.
do. Now, what happened?
Only with regards to the the
Distribution
direction
part, yeah, to the extent of
dis-
distribution part, Your Lordship.
distribution.
Yes, Your Lordship. So after my representation, after the first order, DC had,
Is it agreeable to you otherwise?
Otherwise, my lord, they are basically planning on the basis of the order passed by this court, my lord.
Hmm.
Because there are some difference, my lord. If this DC orders, 2016 order is quashed, my lord,
Hmm.
that SIL, it will hamper us, my lord. Because this land belongs to the Lora Uru, which he is also belongs to Lora Uru, and I'm also belongs to Lora Uru. And by that order, Deputy Commissioner has directed to distribute that plot of land among us, my lord. And they are now seeking for quashing of that order, my lord. Because that Deputy Commissioner order was based on the settlement by the
Same Uru.
Village Gampura authority and settlements done by the village authorities, my lord.
The village authority has decided the other case regarding the LPC. And then here also,
No.
probably for distribution.
Yes, my lord. Village authority decided the LPC as well as that distribution, my lord.
Okay,
So on basis of that, the Deputy Commissioner order that 2016 was passed, my lord.
but by earlier petition, you approach only to set aside and quash the,
order dated
2020
22, yes, Your Lordship.
Because
Okay.
that order, my 2022 order.
mail. Okay,
This 2022 order is a subsequent order, Your Lordship, after my representation for modifying point number 1 in 2016's order.
2022,
Yes, Your Lordship. That is at page
No, no,
number
just a minute.
61, Your Lordship,
page 61.
operating part, yes, Your Lordship. Page number 61, Your Lordship,
Just a minute. Okay,
last page.
and then earlier order is,
Earlier order is page number 59.
okay,
The
March,
distribution was among.
March
Lord-
16.
Yes, Your Lordship,
So
March
the
16.
similar order was passed.
Yes, similar order, only to the extent, this point number 1 was it was modified, Your Lordship. From Lora Uru to Taling Uru. So now 2022 being aggrieved, the present respondent had filed writ petition, Your Lordship, which the order is annexed, page number, annexure 12, Your Lordship.
Just a minute. You are agree by this one.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Tariko Tari should be distributed
Distribution.
among the clan members of Bulo, Taling Uru and Uru equally. Only this one.
This 2022 order was agreed by the respondent, present respondent. They have put to challenge this order, and the order was passed by this honorable court, setting aside to the extent of distribution, Your Lordship.
Okay, then
Now
Yeah.
I'm praying for the similar order for setting aside order dated 3/3/16, Your Lordship, in the same line which this honorable court has passed, Your Lordship. The order I have annexed at page number, annexure 12, Your Lordship, page number 62. Your Lordship may turn for a while, Your Lordship. Annexure 12, Your Lordship.
Okay, just a minute. Huh? Here the decision you are. Tariko Tari should be. Pay you are agreed by the
2016 order, I'm agreed by the 2016 order.
3/3/2016.
Yes, Your Lordship.
3/3/2016. The decision number 1.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And what about this 25 March 2022?
They were agreed. The respondents were agreed, they filed writ petitions, and point number 1 was set aside. But 3/3/16 remains, Your Lordship, in force. So I'm praying for the similar prayer, Your Lordship.
Of Nora Uru. It is still among the clan members of Taling Uru. Okay, the clan member changes here.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now, you were agreed by this decision number 1 of
Laura Uru.
25 March 2022,
I'm
and then this
agreed.
was allowed.
Yes,
Yes, Tari,
yes.
this
Tari
was allowed.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
This was allowed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, so now she is seeking for similar order for
Yes, Your
this
Lordship.
March order, 2016 order.
My lord,
Very good.
change the scenario because, my lord,
Hmm.
that particular order, Deputy Commissioner Order 2022, was passed because they approached the court in 2016, my lord, by submitting the representation that that's Laura Uru, that particular response number 1, be modified, my lord. Modified, and this plot of land be named, be declared their land, my lord. So accordingly, Deputy Commissioner, the representation that this honorable court in 2016 disposed of the writ petition, my lord, by directing the Deputy Commissioner to dispose of the representation of the present writ petitioner, my lord. And accordingly, Deputy Commissioner, what Deputy Commissioner did, my lord, they passed that 2022 order, my lord, without affording any opportunity to us, my lord.
Which order?
2022 order, my lord.
2022 order.
25th March 2022, page number 16.
This order, 20 March 2022.
What is the difference between this order 25 March 22 and 2016 with respect to this? The Tariko is talk about the Tariko Tari.
Yes, ma'am.
Tariko
Laura Uru
Tari
consists of 3
should be
subplans,
distributed
Your Lordship. In 2016.
among the clan members of Taling Uru equally.
By
I mean,
2016,
the clan members of. So what is the difference between Bulo Taling Uru and Lora Uru?
Your Lordship, Taling Uru is a subclan of Laura Uru. It comes under Laura Uru, Your Lordship.
we are,
Laura Uru has 3 subclans.
So in that means in Lora Uru Taling also comes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So if this remains, then Taling Uru would also be entitled.
Yes, Your Lordship. But Your Lordship, this 2022
no,
order.
This was already allowed earlier. This petition, by allowing the writ petition, this distribution, sorry, the distribution of Tarikotari among the clan of Tali Uru. You said Tali Uru is also the sub-clan of Lora Uru.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That has been set aside,
Yes, my lord.
set aside. And then what if this also set aside? Because this is same Uru,
No,
Yes, Your
no, my lord.
same land.
Same land.
If this 2016 is set aside, then my lord, that particular lands would be conferred to the this petitioner, my lord.
Now,
But
now in the another case, on your prayer, it was set aside.
yes, my lord, because my lord, what happened in 2020, this 25th March 2022, by this order, Deputy Commissioner has conferred the rights of that particular land to the petitioner only, my lord. Because 2016, that right has conferred to the board, the clans, my lord.
2016.
Yes, my lord. 2016, kindly see, my lord, in 2016, point number 1, Lora Uru. I'm also
Clan
Lora Uru, my
members
lord.
of Lora Uru.
Then 2022, kindly see, my lord, Taling Uru, only to the Taling Uru, my lord.
Clan members of Taling Uru. And you are
I'm also part of the Lora.
Lora, but not Taling.
No, not Taling. I'm Blow Lampung Uru, my lord. This Lampung Uru also falls under the Lora Uru, my lord. Because by 2022 order of Deputy Commissioner, my right has been curtailed, my lord. So I approached this honorable court. So accordingly, this honorable court set aside and passed, my lord.
Now, what is the position of the land, present status of the land, the said land? Tarikotari.
It's commonly held by both the clans. my lord.
Now, according to you, this he is not entitled.
According to me, Lordship, now we have only challenged the order of the Deputy Commissioner saying that DC has no jurisdictions because it's a civil nature. DC ought not to have decided the distributions in 2016, either 2022, Your Lordship. Therefore, in the 2016 also, after this point number 1, we made a representation to Deputy Commissioner and representation was not disposed of. Therefore, we had filed writ petition before this honorable court, and this honorable court had directed DC.
Now, this order was passed based on the decision of the Gamburas for
Because in
Yes,
that Kebang, Your Lordship, even the application against the complaint which we had filed against one Bulorakh, he had also replied to our complaint to DC. So basing on that complaint and my complaint and their complaint, the village Kebang was conducted and spot verification was done by DLRSO, Your Lordship. But being aggrieved of the 2016 order, Your Lordship, therefore we made a complaint to DC saying that no, DC ought not have decided regarding distributions. My complaint was only for cancellation of LPC. This order was
no. This is the regarding another complaint lodged by Bulo H. Habu. So they both were, I think it appears, clubbed together for decision.
yes, Your Lordship.
And then the separate decision with regards to Bulorakh and his LPC, you are not agreed by that.
Yes,
But then-
no,
Why it was clubbed together, by the way?
Because, my lord, initially, this land
So the,
belongs to the common land, my ancestral land, my lord. And this common
because
ancestral land,
it appears it's two separate complaint only
yes, my lord, after,
regarding LPC, issuance of LPC without notice, etc.
so not going into
So
the
this would have been actually this is a separate decision, actually, isn't it?
no, my lord,
But then
here, my lord, this 2016 Deputy Commissioner order is based on the decision of Village Authority, my lord. That Village Authority decision was on 22nd December.
where is the village authority
Yes,
decision
my lord.
regarding this point? Huh?
Yes, my lord. My lord, page 56 is the type copy of 16 February and page 50, my lord, is the type copy, my lord.
No, this is regarding Buluraka.
Mail decision, my lord. On
Yes.
this basis of this mail decisions, the deputy commissioner had passed this interim order, my lord.
Page 50.
Page 50, yes, ma'am. Is a type copy. And original copy is at my lord. Page 48, my lord. Point number one, the distributed land is locally called Tari means place land and Tari means bar land at home blade. The bar land Tari shall be distributed among the Lora Uru equally. Ma'am. If my lord was and set aside the 2016 order, that order were bearing on this my lord, particular mail decisions, my lord.
Okay,
Your lordship, may-
there is, I know these all process, some difficulties. Next. We'll fix it. Fix for hearing or what?
yes, your lordship.
Okay. Whether record was called for,
Yes, my lord. Record of course.
record is also there.
And
No, yes, comes.
Hmm?
Yes.
It has not come. Record is necessary, not necessary,
First, not
and everything is there, I think. Mhm. Miss Ananji, Learning Council for the petitioner. Whether record, not necessary. Hmm?
Remainder.
Okay,
The proceedings
okay. Mm.
that were called for. then.
Also, okay, Ms. Riba, Learned Addition, Senior Government Advocate for the state respondent, and Mr. K. Tari, Learned Council for the private respondent, staff, the we'll fix for hearing.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay. Since the parties are duly represented and it is submitted that the matter is ready for hearing, staff accordingly, let this matter be listed for hearing after 4 weeks. Okay. In the meantime, the registry shall issue reminder for the record of the proceeding before the deputy commissioner.
Yes.
0, Lord Subministry 0. Okay.
Obliged.
Item number 7,
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, the respondent number 2 has filed an affidavit. In reply to that affidavit, Lordship, I have already prepared my reply, and by the next tomorrow I will file. Lordship. And the
Okay.
matter,
Mr.
D. Sharma.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and that he has received affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent, and to which you have already filed, not yet,
No, Lordship, tomorrow I will file. Lordship.
Okay,
I have
and-
prepared.
and he is filing reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent by tomorrow. Stop, Miss Deba, the additional senior government advocate for the state respondent is also present. Stop, as prayed for by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Let this matter be listed after
After Bihu,
4 weeks.
after 4
Lordship,
weeks.
after Bihu
Stop.
vacation.
After 4 weeks. In the meantime, the petitioner shall file reply. Huh?
Lordship, since I'm coming from
reply
outstation, a date
affidavit.
may be fixed, Lordship, in this regard.
Okay, when?
Lordship, after
okay, then-
25th of
Then as
January,
prayed for, come, let this matter be listed on 30th, okay, 30 January.
30th.
Okay.
Highly obliged.
Item number 8.
May please your lordship. May please your lordship.
Yes. You are for the petitioner?
May please your lordship.
Yes, please.
Lordship, I pray first have time to file reply affidavit, lordship.
Okay, Mr.
Lordship,
You are Mr. K. Dev Sharma.
I pray for 4 weeks time to file affidavit, lordship, reply affidavit, lordship.
Okay, and counsel for the petitioner.
It is
Praise
Sharma.
for some time to file
Lordship.
affidavit and reply. Praise for father 3 weeks time to file affidavit and reply. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 4 weeks. Okay. Item number 9.
Interim order may be continued, lordship.
The interim order passed earlier shall
Yep,
continue till the next date of listing.
Interim order may be continued, lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, mass oblige.
My lord, there is an interlocutory application.
What is this interlocutory application about? Is about
The application, the applicant, the respondent 1, 6 and 7, they are assailing the very maintainability of the content petition itself. Their case is, my lord, the content petition for these officials of NHPC is not maintainable. It is for that purpose, my lord, this interlocutory application has been filed. The reply has also been filed, my lord, by the other side. The matter is otherwise ready for it. The matter is otherwise ready for hearing on the maintainability. Now, my lord, this issue itself will decide everything if it is heard. Now, my lord, I ought not to have come, my lord, but I'm not well. That's true. Since it is content, my lord, I came. So subject to, my lord, the availability of my esteemed colleague, because I understand the vacation will begin here
24th,
and would continue.
24th of
Yes.
January.
No, he is not well, I know.
Hmm.
So can this matter be taken up on 22nd? Because we don't have a court subject to his convenience.
This
of December. Yes.
No. Then better I argue today, one way or the other.
22nd.
December, January, let it go
January.
in the month of January.
Possible.
December would be a little difficult.
Because, my lord, I have to go for follow checkup also. So,
January,
January. Yeah.
give date that after holiday.
could it be, my lord, I suggest, where is my, because, my lord, immediately after holidays, I'm sure my esteemed colleague would also be heavily preoccupied in Guwahati. So, my lord, could it be on 27th of January?
The parties are
This
present. Huh?
becomes.
Duly represented.
Well, 1 second, my lord. This
yes.
become too late. 27th, becomes too late for us. Because
23rd?
because we till today we have not received the amount which is due. This is a land acquisition matter. Award has been passed, but they are the requiring authority. They said some endeavor has to be made to pay this amount. They are not paying it. That's the whole problem with us.
Could it be 23rd?
23rd to go.
Because 19, 20, all those cases are.
Is Friday.
The election petition is also there, 20.
That 29 to 23rd probably
One second.
would be difficult, little difficult. We start from 27 would be better. They start from 27.
But
27th is the best date, my lord, for me also.
27, oh, okay, 28.
That's 1 month, my lord. That's too much, my lord. That's
Hmm.
wholly difficult.
But my lord,
So why
better
don't we
I argue
try?
today.
Why
But
don't
in the meantime, the holiday
we
falls
argue,
and
don't
then
argue, no way out. For us, no
Then,
way
my
out.
lord, then we argue, my lord.
No way out, my lord.
Mhm.
Otherwise, either in the first week of January, let it be somewhere in the first week of January, from 5th to 9th.
5th to,
5th is Monday.
now we'll fix it on then
On
19 or 20.
20th.
Election petition in.
He has got some election.
Election petition.
Okay, then 23,
23rd, 23rd.
23rd,
Yes.
23rd, okay.
Yes.
On the prayer of both the Lorna Council for the parties. Let this matter be listed on 23rd. Okay.
Well, that.
Item number 10. 23rd.
That way matter should be taken up, my lord.
Hmm?
So, where in the admission column, the matter should be taken. up.
Okay,
Yes, yes.
okay.
Admission column.
23rd. To be listed in the admission column.
And the admission column.
For admission, huh?
May I, Your Lordship?
Yes.
In earlier order, Your Lordship, I was supposed to bring one record, Your Lordship, though I could not produce the record. So some more time may be needed, Your Lordship.
Last occasion, the direction was issued to produce the relevant record, Your Lordship, pertaining to the order passed by the
Okay. Mr.
Commissioner.
Take a single counsel for the petitioner is present. Ms. Pangu, learned government advocate, praised for father. How much time is it?
Your Lordship.
Lordship, on 22nd of this month.
Okay.
Okay, Your Lordship.
So we praise for some more time to produce the records, connected record stuff. Is prayed for by both the council for the parties. Let this matter be listed on 22nd of
December.
What is this matter about? Is it urgent?
This is, I have challenged the suspension order, Lord. He is under suspension almost 2 years now.
22nd. 22nd, just before vacation.
Lordship, the issue is very simple issue. Only the order passed by the suspension review committee has passed the extension order is backdated or not, which I have demonstrated in my writ petition also. But this honorable court wanted to peruse the record, so because of that reason, the direction was issued to produce the record. Very small issue, not.
Okay, on 22nd. Okay.
Yeah, Your Lordship.
Item number 11.
May it please, Your Honor. I'm for the petitioner, Your Honor. On last occasion, we were directed to take fresh steps upon respondent number 2. And as per the tracking ID, Your Honor, Lordship, the service has been successfully completed.
Respondent number 2 also.
Yes, Your Honor.
Says it is still awaited.
But in tracking report, it's showing delivered, Lordship.
Where do we find? Tracking report is there. Who is this respondent number 2?
Respondent number 2 is Genco Enterprise.
You are for?
I'm for respondent number 5, Your Lordship. I'm on behalf of Ashoka, Your Lordship.
5.
Your Lordship, we are not a necessary party in this petition, Your Lordship. It's because
Okay. Though this Jainco is necessary parties.
Yes, Your Lordship. We have been serving notice since 2022, Your Lordship. However, AD card has not been received.
Now here, where do we find this AD card or the fake record?
Every time in tracking report, it's showing as successfully delivered.
Delivered. Course. It's registered AD dispatched. Hmm. Okay. Records. It's not on record. Not on record. But not on record, it appears. It only says the report, service report in respect of respondent number 2, which is still awaited. If you can, yeah, you print out and you can file, just file the compliance report. Okay. We'll record. Miss
Timo
Land Counsel for the petitioner is present and submitted that she has taken steps upon the respondent number 2. However, the office note dated 12/2/12/2025 reflect that the notice upon the respondent number 2 is still awaited. Stop.
Also, Your Lordship, from other respondents, we have not received affidavit in opposition also.
Have you filed? Oh, he says that he is not a necessary party. You don't. Have you filed? Okay. Are you filing? Okay.
Since 2022, Your Lordship.
Since 20?
22. This matter is pending since 2022. They have not filed their reply.
And we have been served with extra copies on September 2024 only.
Okay. So 3 months is just like half days, compared to the 3 years. Okay. Miss Sangeeta, P. Sangeeta, let government advocate prays for further 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Mr. You says that you are not necessary party,
Yes, Your Lordship.
and according to you, he is a necessary party.
Yes, we have made them as necessary party.
I'm PWD highway, Your Lordship. The compensation amount has already been
You said that in your affidavit. Okay.
Lordship, for filing of this tracking ID, short date may be given if possible. For filing of tracking ID,
Okay.
short date may be given.
Okay.
if possible.
Then taking steps after some Stacy has taken steps upon the respondent number 2 in that line and prays for some time to file the tracking ID tracking records.
Tracking short date may be given.
Okay. In view of the above, let this matter. Who are the other respondent number? You are for respondent number? Sangeeta is for 1, 2, 1, 3, and 4, And then you are for 2. 5. Then who is for 2? 2 is this one. 5, Mr.
M. Tasol.
Lana Council, appearing on behalf of R. Lana Council for the respondent number 5. We'll say that you will also file affidavit. Okay. Also pray for some time to file affidavit, necessary affidavit. Okay. Then the last, in view of the above, and as prayed for by the Lana Council for the party, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
After
Okay,
2 weeks. possible.
2 weeks. 2 weeks. It's automatically 2 weeks means it's more than 3 weeks only. Vacation starts. After 3 weeks. Okay. Item number 12.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship,
Yes.
I have filed an IA, Your Lordship. At this IA number 315 for strike of the pleading.
Hmm?
The striking of the pleading of the election petition. Some paragraph this order 6, rule 6.
IA 315.
Yes,
When did you file this?
it was filed, my lord, on last Friday.
Last Friday.
And I received the objection today only, my lord. I'm also not feeling well today, my lord. Everything that may be taken up next week. Today I came from Ansai
Okay.
because of this matter not getting well. I
Look,
spoke to my friend also.
well, so far, physical health condition of my friend is concerned, I have nothing to say on that aspect. But so far, IA, which my learned friend has filed, that is for striking of pleading and amendment of the election petition. In view of that, we have dropped certain issues that your lordship was pleased to drop certain issues on consensus. It was agreed by both the parties. So in a sense, so far this IA is concerned, it is no binding.
We have already decided the issue.
We have no bind. It is no binding.
No, my lord.
It is no binding.
Huh.
Therefore, that still can remain because the issues will not be decided. These certain paragraphs contain about issues.
Okay.
And if my friend is not well today, my lord, I'll not say anything. But if my friend is, if agrees, today is only for the deposition of these exhibits, nothing. Because we have already filed the exhibits also.
Before exhibition, my lord, this IA may be considered.
So did
This matter may be taken up on next week, my lord.
No,
Your lordship is sitting continuously.
Oh,
It's nothing
he seems weak. Okay, we'll fix it on Monday.
May not be on Monday, on 23rd.
23rd would be the last date.
Last day.
Second last. Okay, no problem.
And if lordship, on that day itself, my lord, we'll do the deposition also. We'll complete all the deposition. And we have already filed the exhibits also.
We'll complete the deposition. Come prepare on that. day.
We'll
Okay,
complete
or
it
even-
because
Okay, on. So on that day, this also will be decided.
this will be decided and the deposition also,
Hmm.
at least PW 1 and 2 both, my lord. But we have already given for both on 23rd.
So this IA, you have filed
I
anything?
have filed the reply
Okay.
today only. And my lord, if
Oh,
I
just a
humbly,
minute. Hard,
if-
Mr. Oh,
may I make my humble submission with your lordship?
yes.
My lord, my humble submission is because this particular matter, if that is taken up at 2, my lord, then we can proceed the whole day. Afternoon.
Okay, we'll
At 2,
say that at 2.
at 2, and the whole things can be
Okay.
completed on that, the 23rd. Or if it is 2, or like soon after all the matters are over. Because normally the last day, all my friends will not be like in the mood to do the hearings except the motions. So
Ah.
I'll take a chance on that day.
Okay, AJ, at 2,
Normal.
normal.
Because normal.
Okay. The applicant, you have a respondent only?
I'm for the tolerance.
Sole respondent.
Okay. The applicant. File this application under order 6, rule 16 and 17 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908. Seeking praying for struck out of pleadings of the election petition. And also direction and also seek direction to issue the election petitioner to amend the election petition. Okay. Then had Mr. Deori, huh? Counsel for the applicant, stroke sole respondent, huh? Okay, then this. And Mr. Singh, counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent stroke election petitioner has also filed. Where is your affidavit? Is it?
It is not in the record, Your Lordship.
Okay, some is that he has filed. Objection to this
Yeah.
or what? Affidavit?
No, objection.
It's objection. Which is not on record, staff, huh? In view of the above and as prayed for by the Lanai Council for the parties, let this matter be listed on 23rd. It's 23rd. Okay.
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 13 and 14.
Lordship, through this IA, we are praying for equity, Lordship.
Hmm?
We are praying for equity, Lordship. Equity.
This IA is for what?
This IA for injunction, Lordship. Injunction against the private respondents. They are cutting trees in a plot of land passed by the impugned Kebang order of 2021.
Okay. Okay. This is IA.
Yes, Lordship. IA is for injunction. Well, Lordship, in this matter,
What is this matter about?
Your Lordship, if your Lordship may kindly come to page number, we will have to go to.
So in the main petition, affidavit in opposition also already filed.
Yes, Lordship, they have filed the.
Otherwise, the matter is ready for hearing.
Matter may be fixed for admission hearing, for final disposal of the entire case.
Okay. We'll fix that. We'll dispose of the entire matter then.
Yes, Lordship.
Lordship, before that, this I may be heard, Lordship, because the private.
The matter is ready for hearing. We'll have hearing.
All right.
Mr.
K. Loyal.
Lanai Council for the. Lawyer is for the petty.
Private respondent.
Okay. Okay, then Eddie, huh? Eddie, Apai. Lanai Council for the petitioner. I've also heard Mr. Miss Riba, Lanai Additional Government Advocate for the state respondent, number 192, and Mr.
K. Lawyer.
K. Lawyer for respondent number
3 to 10.
3 to
10.
10. Staff, huh? Any record was not necessary. This is writ petition only.
It's a writ petition, Lordship.
Okay,
Lordship, we had filed injunction, IA for injunction, Lordship.
okay.
And Lordship, we the
Since the
petition,
parties are duly represented and affidavit in opposition filed, comma, let this matter be listed for admission hearing. On which, when?
After winter break.
Okay, 22
Lordship, my only prayer was if we could
January.
have
huh?
hearing
On which
today,
date?
Lordship.
The interlocutor applicant, interim prayer shall also be heard. Okay,
Completely.
considered, huh? I already issued, I think. It has come for 4 times.
Yes, Lordship.
Notice already issued or not yet?
Copies have been served.
Extra copy also directed to serve. Furnished copies during the,
Private respondents have been served, Lordship.
have you served a copy to the
Copy to respondent to state respondent.
state respondent?
Yes, Lordship.
Yeah, have you received?
I have received, but I'm take instruction from the. Is there asking for the answer first?
Yes.
That's it.
So here in interlocutory application also you have filed affidavit.
I have filed mine.
Yes.
Okay. Notice was not issued.
No, Lordship.
APRs. Oh, okay. Then in,
But copies have been served. Copies have been served.
okay, in IA.
Yes, in IA.
Hard Mr. PD Fine, Land Council for the applicant, stroke petitioner, staff. By filing this application, the petitioner, the applicant is seeking ad interim and direction, stroke injunction for preservation of the subject matter of the dispute is a land
Kebang decision of 2021.
It's a land dispute.
land dispute, okay. Subject matter of the disputed land and for restraining further cutting, removal and transportation of trees, timber, timber from the area known as Khamsangnes Mechuka, Shiyomi district, Arunachal Pradesh, staff. Issue notice. Since Mr. Since Ms. Riba, Landed Additional Senior Government Advocate has already accepted notice on behalf of the state respondent number 1, 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And Mr. Lawyer for respondent number
3 to 10.
3 to 10. No formal notice required to be issued. Mr. Lawyer submits that he has already filed objection. Ms. Staffa, Ms. Riba, Leonard, Senior Government, as Leonard, Additional Senior Government Advocate, praised for some time to file objection. Staffa, prayer allowed. This matter along with the main writ petition on 23rd, yeah? Is 23rd or 23rd, some other matter has also already been 22nd, okay? 22nd January. Okay.
Item number 15.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I am for the petitioner. Lordship, the petitioner is aggrieved with the office order of their company, respondent company, dated 11/7, whereby the petitioner was retrospectively demoted to his previous grade level with effect from 29/5, 2025. Then, my lord, I'm a senior employee and I have been serving this company, and I was posted in this Italian hydroelectric project. And in course of my service, I was promoted under corporate HR circular of 12/10/2023. And then, my lord, my grievance is that being a senior employee, my company posted me in Italian hydroelectric project by the circular 886 of 2023, dated 12/10 of 23. It granted me some special promotions and incentives to the employees serving in difficult locations of Arunachal Pradesh. And by again corporate circular dated 9/50 of 2025.
Okay, who is for the respondent? You are for the petitioner.
My lord, I am for respondent number 4 to 9. The
4 to
company,
9.
my lord.
And who is for the 1, 2, 3?
But I for the respondent number 1, madam.
1.
As per the record, madam, we have no much, madam, business and role to play, madam.
Okay.
It's between the
And
company
you are
and
for?
this petitioner.
3. Stage. Okay.
The main
And then have you
party,
filed affidavit?
my lord, here, no, not affidavit, my lord, but we have on 5/9/2025, my lord,
Hmm.
there was an interim order, my lord.
Okay.
So we have filed an IA
IA for?
284 of 2025, man.
Okay,
That
this
is
is
for
for?
vacation of the interim order.
Vacation.
My lord,
There, they have already filed their objection, my lord.
So they have filed objection.
Yes, man.
my most respectful submission, my lord. We have filed reply of their interlocutory application. However, as my learned friend said that the impugn order dated 5/9/2025, that this court was pleased to pass an interim for the relief, but the respondent company did not comply with the order, my lord. And they have failed, and they have also neglected to comply the direction of this honorable court.
What was the direction?
My lord, page
Just a minute.
Order dated.
By which order?
order dated
5/9.
5/9/2025, my lord.
Okay. On the first day.
Page 20, my lord.
Just a minute. Yeah. The public sector undertaking.
Yes, madam.
Yes, my lord.
It's a PSU between the government of India and the government of Himachal Pradesh.
Okay. Okay, your promotion order was withdrawn.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, but now after withdrawal, you are in which post now?
My lord, I was being demoted and I was being posted as AGM.
No, now also you are AGM.
Yes, my lord. And my lord, when I was demoted, the order, right order dated 2210, I was being employed to the hydroelectric project of BTPP Buxar. And finding myself without any practical alternative and under compulsion of the service, I have to leave for there and join with no other option. I have to join the project site in Bihar. I was transferred and I was also demoted capacity. And when the demotion from HR GM, I was demoted to DGM HR and was already under a judicial scrutiny and has been stayed by this honorable court, my lord.
But you have not yet filed any contempt petition against her?
And no, my lord.
Not yet, no. Okay,
Because the hearing of this IA and the main petition was pending.
okay.
My lord, this honorable court was
You have not
pleased
yet
to
filed
record
affidavit
prima
of opposition.
facie.
Affidavit in opposition not yet, man.
Fine.
No, my lord, otherwise, this IA, it's for vacation of order. Otherwise, may I, my lord,
You are not acting upon the stay order, and then what?
No, my lord, there have been, of course, subsequent development, my lord. The petitioner
Oh.
has been transferred out from the project site. He has been transferred to some other place.
Okay.
And then our main contention here is that, my lord, the projects, the promotion that the petitioner is harping upon, my lord, that's not a promotion, man. That was an incentive given to the persons who were posted in the project site at Dibang Valley, man.
Mhm.
It was an special incentive, man. Now that was not a regular promotion, man.
Okay.
Now, as long as that person or other employees, there are other employees as well, like the petitioners, man, who were given some special incentive and they were given the special promotion and then higher pay, man, while they were posted here. Now that special incentive has been withdrawn, man. It
Okay.
was not a regular promotion, man.
Okay, not the promotion.
Malon. It's
Withdrawal,
not a regular
not the
promotion, Malon. That
but
is
the
what
special incentive.
it was a
Which
special
they are
incentive.
entitled because of being posted somewhere.
Yes, that's
Place
because
like
of being
Dibang
posted in a harsh location, Malon.
Okay, have you clarified in that?
Yes,
You file
that is-
affidavit, it will be better.
Well,
Because you are
otherwise,
not acting upon the stay
No.
order at the moment.
No.
You are not giving any benefit to them. At the-
now and then, my lord, the other fact is that subsequent development, Lord, that
Hmm.
the petitioner has now been transferred out, man, to some other location.
So-
Lord. That
Hmm.
also we have brought.
Affidavit,
Otherwise, my lord, may I pray, my lord, since today this is listed for orders, man,
Hmm.
and my IA is also pending, man.
Yes.
Let my IA be treated as the affidavit, and the entire matter may be heard, my lord.
Now, in the IA, have you stated that he has already been transferred now?
Transferred, my lord. And today also I have filed a subsequent additional affidavit as well, my lord.
Hmm.
Uh,
What is this about?
now that entire project has been handed over to the NHPC, my lord.
Okay.
And the company is leaving Arunachal, my lord.
Okay, now he is no longer intact.
My lord.
Now-
Of course,
Yes.
it will take some time, my
Yes,
lord,
my
but that
I am in
Yes.
Buxar, my lord.
Okay.
now the company itself is leaving Arunachal, my lord.
Now, under the circumstances, I think the things changes.
Lordship, as far as my learned friend said about the incentive of promotion, the order of this promotion by the corporate authority, it was acted upon and granting pay, powers and seniority and designation is a regular legally enforceable promotion, my lord. There has to be no DP guidelines required because this special promotion itself
Is
was
there
a
any
policy.
any provision for a special promotion under RR?
Yes, my lord.
There is.
Yes,
No,
my
I
lord.
think,
No, my lord.
so, now.
My lord, no, my lord, other what I was
This
praying is
is arbitrary decision.
since that IA has already been filed, man.
Hmm.
That IA, my lord, it will be similar to the stain in the affidavit also.
Okay.
Now, what I'm praying, my lord, this IA may be treated as
Treated
the
as a affidavit.
affidavit,
Okay.
and this matter, the entire matter may be heard together, my lord.
Okay.
The petition.
Miss
S. Medhi, my lord, Sunita Medhi.
Planning Council for the petitioner. So also heard Mr. So who is first? Okay. So are you filing any affidavit?
Affidavit may not be required.
Okay.
document.
It is basically between the company and the petitioner, man.
Kato, Lanet, DSGI, for the respondent number 1.
Madam.
And Miss Sangeeta for respondent number 2 and 2. Only 2. Secretary to the Department of Power is different. 3 is different. Okay, you are for 3. Sangeeta for 3 and Mr. Irang for respondent number and appearing on behalf of Mr. L. Pame, standing counsel for the Power Department for respondent number 3. And Miss, you are 4. So
4 to 9, my lord.
So before respondent number 4 to 9. Stop, huh? Mr. Kato, Lanet DHG submitted they are not filing affidavit in opposition as it is not required according to him. Stop. And Ms. Sangeeta, you? Okay, and then Mr. Iran, you? Okay, then all of them, huh? Submitted we are not filing any affidavit in opposition as it is not required according to the staff. Huh? Mr. Soki, Planet Council for the respondent number 4 to 9 submitted. He has earlier he has already filed IA C number 284 AP 2025 seeking vacation of the interim order passed by this court on 5/9/2025, comma. We further submits that the same IA may be treated as the affidavit for affidavit in opposition.
Okay, fine.
In respect of respondent number 4 to 9. Staff, in view of the above, let this matter be listed. It will be listed then for
Listed
hearing.
for admission hearing, man.
Okay, let this matter be listed. When do you want it?
Maybe on 19th of January, my lord.
19
19th of January.
January. Okay, as played for by the Nana Council for the parties, let this matter be listed on 19 January. Okay.
I'm highly obliged, my lord.
Matter number 16.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Hmm.
My lord, IA is for implement of the Central Bureau of Investigation, my lord.
Yeah.
The writ petition was filed
Okay.
challenging the action of the Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission, my lord, in keeping in abeyance a selection process initiated for selection of sub-inspector of telecom. My lord knows this AP scam that took place. Thereafter, my lord, so many selection processes which are pending, my lord, were put into abeyance. Now, there is no allegation of any irregularities as far as SI Telecom is concerned. But after the writ petition was filed, if your lordship kindly have the IA, in the affidavit, my lord, the Public Service Commission has, my lord, filed this document at page 21
Of IA.
in the IA.
Page 21 of IA.
Of the IA.
Okay, what is this document?
This is, my lord, a communication by the DIG and head of branch, CBI Anti-Corruption Branch of Guwahati. It says, it appears the Public Service Commission made a communication to, my lord, go ahead with the selection process. It says, with reference to your letter number, such and such, on the subject cited above, it is to inform that the investigation in both the above mentioned recruitment examinations is still going on. Hence, appropriate decision may be taken at your end in the matter as deemed fit. I don't know what they mean by this. My instructions are that since 2022, my lord, there is no investigation. So, my lord, let the CBI be implicated as a party, and maybe they can file a status report what is going on. They cannot be saying that we are just investigating for 5 years.
So in the This only says that investigation is going on.
Yes, and because of this, the Public Service Commission is not going ahead with the selection process.
Okay, so
So the CBI is now required to be made a party. Man.
to clarify that.
Yes, yes. What's going on? What have they found? Any irregularities?
Yes,
Objection, madam.
okay.
Since these documents clearly is being some correspondence.
It should be, my lord, the Central Bureau of Investigation through the DIG and head of branch CBI.
Okay, in IA. Mr. Deepang, Land Counsel for the applicant. Writ petitioner. Stop, huh? This reply,
This was a part of the affidavit in opposition filed by the Public Service Commission.
okay. Mr. Deepang, Land Counsel for the applicant submits that in view of the letter,
Yes, it's a letter.
the letter dated
22/6/2025.
22/6/2025,
Yes.
whereby what it says,
It says that the investigation in both the
whereby the DIG and head of
branch
branch CBI, ACB, Guwahati informed to
the secretary or Arunachal Pradesh Public
inform the
Service
Secretary Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission that the investigation in
It will be, my lord, in respect of sub-inspector,
respect of sub-inspector,
telecommunication and radio technician,
telecommunication and radio technician are it's still going on, huh? Still going on. In the still going on, comma, the CBI, ACB Guwahati is required to be pleaded as a necessary party in the writ petition number 306 AP 2025. Stop. By filing this IA number, IA, comma, the applicant writ petitioner seek implement of Central Bureau of Investigation, Anti-Corruption Branch, Guwahati,
it should be through the DIG.
through
Yes, true.
DIG and head of branch,
Yes.
CBI,
Anti-corruption
comma,
branch.
ACB, the anti-corruption branch, within bracket ACB, comma, Guwahati,
Yes.
as respondent number
4.
4. Stop. Huh? The prayer so made by the counsel for the applicant has not been objected to by the Land Council appearing on behalf of the respondents. Staff. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. Let this same address, CBI. The respondent number
4.
no, in other. How many respondents are there in the
3.
petition? Okay,
3.
only 3.
Yes.
Okay. The Central Bureau of Investigation Anti-Corruption Branch, Guwahati, not headed by, through DIG and head of branch CBI, ACB, Guwahati be implemented as respondent number 4 to the the petition number 306, AP 2025. So with the above, this IA stands allowed and dispose of stuff. And in May, huh?
We'll correct the cost title.
Mr. Deepang Land Council for the petitioner. And all of them, huh? Miss, who is
I'm for 1 and 2, Your Lordship.
Pango for government advocate for 1 and 2,
No, Your Lordship.
for 3.
I'm for 1 and 2,
Oh, 1 and 2, okay.
for commission, AP.
And I'm you for respondent number 1 and 2, 1 and 2. You are for? 3, Pango for 3 and
Mr. Kato for the
Kato
newly
for
implemented respondent number 4.
Kato for?
Newly implemented respondent number.
For newly implemented respondent number 4, okay. Stop para. In view of the order passed today in IAC number 314 AP 2025, come the petitioner shall amend. Oh, sorry, the that one, SCB has been implemented as respondent number 4, huh? Same address, huh? Staff, the petitioner shall amend. The petitioner is allowed, shall amend the course title by inserting the name of the respondent number 4. The newly implemented SCB, implemented DIG headed by DIG. What was that?
The Central Bureau of Investigation.
The Central Bureau of Investigation through DIG and head of branch CBI ACB. Guwahati is respondent number 4, huh?
Right.
Okay.
Well, let it be
As per for comma, list this matter.
next Monday, man.
Next Monday.
Yes. I will only seek some few directions for against the CBI. Madam. They will find a status report. What are they doing? Because there were 2 recruitment process. By the same order, both of them were kept in abeyance, including SI Telecom. The others, they have already, this honorable court already allowed. And their selection process is also complete. Now, because of this letter by the CBI, our selection process is at hold unnecessarily.
That you have to file them in that case.
By that short period, won't be.
No, on Monday, my lord will ask them to file a status report.
Okay, okay. As per for comma, list this matter on Monday.
Item number 17.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, we have already served the copies to the respondent number 4. However, in office report, it's not showing, I guess. We have already taken service, however.
Not yet been taken.
No, that's
You have otherwise taken steps.
Yes, through the registry only, Your Lord.
You confirm from them.
They are saying that they have already taken.
Oh, they have
Maybe-
already taken. Why it has come
Yes.
then?
I'm unaware, Your Lordship. Lordship, 1 week time may be granted if this honorable court allows.
Okay.
The last occasion, Your Lordship, the name of the respondent number 4 was to be struck up.
Struck
Okay,
up.
Yes, if the steps are not taken by today, it was ordered.
We were of the notion that steps are already taken, maybe due to some miscommunication, Your Lordship. That's why last 1 week time may be granted, either through registry or dusty service, Your Lordship.
You strike the name of the respondent number 4.
I think it
So
was
according
written
to,
last-
you have otherwise taken steps.
Yes, Your Lordship. Already we have served the copies as well.
Okay. When did you take steps?
Uh, mm,
It was on 10/11. Or was passed. Huh? But the record has this office note.
Office record, it's not showing.
12/12/2025. Huh? Miss Hard Miss
Timosang.
Planning Council for the petitioner who submits that although she has taken steps upon the respondent number 4, the same has not been reflected in the office note. Therefore, pray for allowing her to confirm from the registry and to take steps, take fresh steps if it found misplaced. Okay.
Yes, either to registry or the state service, Your Lordship.
Through fresh steps through speed post or by way of the ST service. The prayer is allowed. The petitioner, the learned counsel for the petitioner is granted 3 days time to verify from the registry and to take steps upon the attack. And if not yet taken steps, comma, she is allowed to take fresh steps upon if the steps have not yet been affected, comma, the land council is allowed to take fresh steps upon the respondent number 4. For notice upon the respondent number 4 by a speed post as well as by usual process. Who is this respondent number 4?
This SDPO.
Hmm?
SDPO.
DPO?
Yes, he is SDPO and police official.
Or individual person?
Yes. he has-
Private person?
Yes,
SDPO?
SDPO.
Speed post or dusty?
Lordship, option may be given if both
Okay.
true.
Speed
Registry
post
or
as well as by usual process within a week from today, huh? No, usual process within 3 days, huh, from today. As prayed for, comma, dusty is also allowed, in which case the petitioner shall file compliance affidavit after dusty service, huh? Stop. Ms. Sangeeta, Land Council for the state respondent. Number
1 to 3.
1 to 3 is present. As prayed for, comma, list is matter up to 2 weeks. 3 weeks, okay. Earlier 3 days also should be. Dusty, will it be possible in 3 days? 1 week, make it 1 day, not 3 days. Okay, make it one week, okay.
Sure.
Okay. Start.